Today we'll show you an easy way to swing trade this trend line. You will learn how to identify the strongest trend line for swing trading and the best moment to open the trade. First, let's discuss two simple rules that will help you to identify the strongest trend line. First and foremost, such a trend line should be strictly on a daily time frame. And secondly, such a trend line should be tested at least 3 times in the past. And the price should strictly react to such a trend line at least 3 times in a row. It means that from a rising trend line, at least 3 bullish movements in a row should initiate after each test of that. And the same logic will be used with falling trend lines. The best falling trend line for swing trading will be strictly on a daily time frame, and the price should drop from that at least 3 times in a row. On EURCAD Forex pair, we have an ideal trend line for swing trading. First, this trend line is formed on a daily time frame, and let's count the number of tests of that trend line. We can see that this trend line was tested 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And 4 times in a row, strong bullish movements followed from that rising trend line. So we can use that for swing trading. And now let me explain what is our goal in swing trading trend lines. When we swing trade a rising trend line, we expect a strong bullish movement from that at least to the levels of a current high. So we are anticipating a major price movement. While with pullback trading trend lines, we expect a minor price movement after a test of a trend line. Traders, learn how to trade in my premium group. Get the access to my daily live streams with live trading and analysis. Get my ebook and video course explaining to you my trading strategy. For more info, check my website. It is vasilytrader.com/private group, or text me in one of the social networks. I will give you more details. After you identified a valid and a strong trend line for swing trading, you will need to patiently wait for a test of that. That will be the first rule in our trading plan. After that, the ideal case scenario is a start of a consolidation on that trend line. Such a consolidation will indicate an accumulation. And if the price tests a strong rising trend line, it will indicate a highly probable bullish accumulation before a start of a significant bullish wave. In this consolidation, you will need to find some minor daily resistance. It will be a horizontal structure that the market will start respecting, and from where you will see some minor bearish price movements. This minor resistance will be used as a confirmation, and your perfect bullish signal will be its breakout. A daily candle should close above that resistance, confirming a completion of accumulation. It will confirm a highly probable start of a new bullish wave, and with the high probability the market will rise then to the next strong resistance. On the EURCAD pair, the market started to consolidate after the last test of our trend line, and we can see that in this consolidation the market started to respect this daily resistance. This consolidation and a sideways price action will signify a highly probable bullish accumulation after a test of that trend line. And this minor daily resistance will be used as our trigger to buy. To execute the trade properly, strictly wait for a daily candle close above a minor daily resistance. Set your buy limit order on a retest of a broken resistance, and your stop loss will strictly lie below the lows of this consolidation. It will be a very safe stop loss for your trade, and your take profit will be the closest major resistance based on a current high. That will be your complete strategy to follow to swing trade rising trend lines in Forex. Our signal that the bullish accumulation is over will be a bullish breakout and a daily candle close above that entire resistance. Only when a daily candle closes above the high of that resistance, a signal will be confirmed. After that, you can place your buy limit order. You can see that in this example, our resistance is very wide. So you will need to rely on some strict rule to always know where exactly should be your limit order. Within this consolidation, find the candle with the highest candle close. In our example, the highest candle close level is right here. That will be a very perfect objective level for buying EURCAD pair after a breakout of this yellow resistance. So after a breakout of that and after a daily candle close above that, you will need to set your buy limit order on that level. Your stop loss will strictly lie below the lows of a consolidation, and our low of the consolidation is right here. So our stop loss will be below that. And our target will be based on the resistance based on the current high. Our current high is right here, and here's our resistance. That will be the goal for our trade. I will simply set my take profit based on its lower boundary. One more thing to note is that if we check how the market reacted to that trend line previously, we can see that in the past the market already tested that trend line, and after its test it started the consolidation. The market was consolidating on that, the market was trading in sideways, and a breakout of that range provided strong swing trading signal to buy. So we will wait for a similar scenario this time. The same strategy will be used for swing trading falling trend lines. Once you identified a valid falling trend line, wait for its test. Our best case scenario is a start of consolidation on that. A consolidation will signify the accumulation of selling volumes and the highly probable preparation for a strong bearish wave. Starting a consolidation, the market will start respecting some minor support, and your strong signal will be its breakout. It will signify a completion of a bearish accumulation and the highly probable start of a new bearish wave. After a daily candle closes below a minor support of this consolidation, set your sell limit order on a retest of that. Your stop loss will lie above the highs of a consolidation, and your take profit will be based on a key support based on the current low. That will be your perfect swing trade. This swing trading strategy is ideal for beginners. A combination of a strong trend line on a daily time frame and the consolidation on that as the trigger provides very profitable trading opportunities. Follow the plan, do not break the rules of the strategy, and good luck to you in swing trading Forex. Learn how to swing trade in my trading academy. For more info, check the link in the description below. Also check this playlist. I have a lot of videos about swing trading for you there.